So hey guys, Samsung typically introduces its latest Galaxy A series smartphones in the first quarter of each year. The Galaxy A54 and Galaxy A74 among other smartphones are anticipated to be unveiled in early 2023. And while we have seen the whole design change of the Galaxy A54, which looks very similar to the upcoming Galaxy S23 series, we have yet to see the design render images of the A74, which I think will appear like the A54 but with some symmetrical bezels. However, we do know which CPU will be used in the next Galaxy A74. Let me explain. At least one of these devices is rumored to have a new Exynos mid-range CPU which has recently surfaced on the internet. The Exynos 1380 and 1330 has been discovered in the Bluetooth SIG database. While the Exynos 1380 has been discussed in detail in recent months, the Exynos 1330 appears to be a new box. The interesting thing is that Samsung's Galaxy A, Galaxy F and Galaxy M series smartphones and tablets will be utilized both of these new Exynos CPUs. Now that Samsung is causing confusion in this situation, if I am not mistaken, Samsung has been using Snapdragon CPUs since the Galaxy A72, and now with the Galaxy A series, Samsung is switching back to the Exynos chip, which many of you, including myself, are disappointed too. The reason behind this, in my opinion, is that it has recently almost been official that Samsung will only use Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 around the world in the future S series phones, and that no S23 phones would use Exynos 2300. That's why Samsung is using its mid-range Exynos CPUs in their mid-range smartphones to cover that up. Samsung has to sell its own manufactured products as well, so they have targeted the innocent Galaxy A series. Before, there were rumors that Galaxy A74 will be loaded with the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor. However, it appears that everything has changed since then. Allow me to tell you about this latest Exynos CPU. For fast performance than Exynos 1280, the Exynos 1380 might have at least 2 ARM Cortex A series high performance CPU cores, and the Mali series, most likely Mali G615 GPU. Because the Exynos 1280 CPU is used in the Galaxy A33 5G and Galaxy A53 5G, we anticipate that the Exynos 1380 processor will be used in the Galaxy A54 and the Galaxy A74. And it is yet unclear which smartphone, the Galaxy A54 or the Galaxy A74, will receive this CPU, but it will receive at least for one. So what do you think about this Galaxy A74 getting Exynos CPU? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.